Mayor of Tacloban, Honorable Alfred S. Romualdez. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please gather round for the official lighting of the Tree of Hope. Let's do our countdown in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tacloban! The Christmas displays are now officially lighted. This signifies the start of the holiday season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, City of Tacloban! Mga kasangkayan, once again palakpakan po natin. This is the official lighting ceremony of the Tree of Hope of the City of Tacloban. And now, mga kasangkayan, ladies and gentlemen, to entertain us all in this evening's gathering, we have invited a special celebrity guest all the way from Manila. He is a Filipino rapper and actor and started his career in Philippines showbiz industry in the second season of Star's Circle Quest, where he finished as a runner-up. He is currently managed by Cornerstone Entertainment and Viva Artists Agency. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kasangkayan Tacloban, are you ready? Here he is, ladies and gentlemen. Palakpakan po natin. We have Mr. Aaron Villaflor. Hi! Magandang gabi, Taclobanons! Kumusta kayo? Once again, gusto ko magpasalamat, of course, to our Honorable Mayor Alfred Romualdez. Maraming salamat po. It's good to be back here in Tacloban. At natutuwa po ako ngayon dahil sama-sama tayo ngayon sa inyong celebration. So, I'm here again. Advance Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Binabati ko po ngayon ng maligayang Pasko. Despite of all the ups and downs that happened or that happening dito sa ating bansa, we still find time to smile. We still find time to bond with our family, with our friends from our towns. Ayan. And again, I just want to say hi also to our government officials, sa mga LGU, ayan, ang bumubuhay sa ating mayor at nagmamahal at sumusuporta. And of course, gusto ko rin pong batiin. Hello, madam. Alright. For this song, pwede niyo ako sabayan dito. And I'm pretty sure, alam niyo itong song na ito. Merry Christmas, everyone!
Happy Christmas kayo mga